You know what phrase is starting to really piss me off right now is the contagion effect. It's like every talking head over on YouTube and Twitter saying the same damn thing about, oh, the contagion effect's in full steam right now. Oh, the contagion effect's out there. You got to be careful about it. That's why in today's video, we're going to be very different than everybody else. We're going to talk about how FTX fall down is creating a contagion effect right now that's infecting all the markets, especially on Solana. So like I mentioned in my previous video, right now with FTX falling down and FTX Ventures and Alameda Research being the venture capitalists that had their hands pretty much on everything, especially in the Solana ecosystem, because they're all wiped out now completely. There's a ripple effect going on. There's a contagion effect, unfortunately, that's happening, which means there's an economic crisis in a lot of these businesses right now in the crypto world. BlockFi, for example, halted withdrawals and is now seeking bankruptcy. You had Salt liquidations having the same problem. There's even rumors that Gemini, or these other small exchanges that over-leveraged themselves, are now halting withdrawals, or at least in the process of doing that. So not a lot of good news out there. Now, what does this mean for Solana NFTs is that overall, even though there was a little bit of a rally that we saw in these NFTs for Solana, especially with Utes, the gods, and the blue chips out there, overall, I'm not liking what I'm seeing right now for Solana as a blockchain. Now, obviously, the tech's still there. The user adoption is still there. The speed is still unmatched. But when it comes down to investor confidence, when it comes down to backers, investors, now, it is more decentralized right now with Alameda Research out of the way. That's true. But overall, not quite bullish on Solana right now, not yet at the very least. Now, a bear market, these things are normal. 95%, 96% down from the all-time high. That's quite normal for bear markets, especially for these altcoins. But at the same time, not all coins will survive. We don't know if Solana is now going to be part of that at the same time. Now, what I am doing is I'm gluing myself onto Twitter's news and seeing all the hot takes that are coming out. Because every day there's more and more breaking news. Just today, you had Donald Trump announcing that he's going to be running for the 2024 presidency. You also had a Russian missile hit Ukraine, allegedly on accident, but unfortunately did kill 2 people. Then you had all these other businesses announcing halting withdrawals. You have Sam Bankman-Fried doing these cryptic tweets on who knows what's going on. And then you had Elon Musk also firing people live on Twitter because they're pretty much talking back to him. A lot of craziness is going on in the market, so it's kind of hard not to stay glued to it. But at the same time, I'm looking at these NFTs and seeing what they're doing, which ones are stepping up to the plate. Frankie D. Gods obviously is still being vocal out there that he wants to do what's right for Solana NFTs, but at the same time is teasing that he's going to be switching blockchains over to Ethereum. We don't know what's going to happen in the long run. Well, when it comes down to these NFTs, my thesis hasn't changed on the blue chips. Solana Monkey Business, Frankie D. Gods, Utes, Blocksmith Labs. Those are the 4 collections that I'm still bullish on. Everything else right now is currently noise for NFTs on Solana. I like what I'm seeing with the founders for each one of these collections. They're over on Twitter being vocal, being responsive to everyone that's following them. They're pretty much addressing this whole narrative that's going on in FTX in their own way. They're revealing what they're working on, how they're building in the bear market, and they haven't given up on their ecosystem. So can't blame them, any of them, for what they're doing. Frankie D. Gods is teasing that he's going to Ethereum, but there's no answers on that quite yet. Looking on Magic Eden right now in the full market, obviously everything has appreciated because Solana is trading at currently $14. So the floor price is pretty much all 2x'd just to compensate for that downfall on Solana price. I don't know how the hell Monkey Baby Business made it to around 51 Solana. Don't know what the hell's going on over there. OK Bears at 47 Solana as a floor price. That's how you know shit's hit the fan. If OK Bears is doing well, that's how bad things are. Look, I don't want to pull a Sam Bankman-Fried and steer you in the wrong direction, telling you how I'm DCAing into this project or that project, or how these upcoming mints I'm super bullish on for Solana. I'm out of the market completely. I haven't bought into it ever since I sold at around 33 Solana. So don't plan on making an entry point until I find more confidence for the blockchain itself. And I'll be doing and posting updates about everything that I know over on my Twitter at @HaveYouMetMachi. So follow me for those updates. That's pretty much it, guys. Again, short, sweet, and simple. We're going to keep it raw and real with you guys. Have you met Machi here Wednesdays and Fridays on the Digits ecosystem, talking to you about Solana NFTs. Follow me or DM me for more information about what I'm doing and when I plan to re-enter onto Solana blockchain. Thank you all so much. Take care.